Virtual assistants is the norm these days. Teledocs, teletutors, even teleaccounts are always standing by to provide their expertise. But when it comes to real-time help for home repairs, the signal drops. But no more. There's finally an app for that, thanks to Front Door.
There has not been a way for people from their home with their actual specific problem to talk to an expert via a video chat. And that's what we have developed with our app now. You have an ability to call an expert in plumbing, electrical, appliances, HVAC, or just a handyman, look in your dishwasher or wherever your problem is, and get real help right on the spot. Or they will guide you as to what is needed for the repair. Plus, if there is a repair needed, we will send vetted, pre-qualified contractors to your home, so there's no searching for plumbers near me or anything like that.
Or wasting time wading through countless YouTube videos trying to find a fix to copy. A Front Door Pro is now at your fingertips. It's obviously perfect for the 73% of millennials who identify as DIYers, but it's easy enough for anyone to tap into.
The Front Door app really is meeting the needs of a homeowner who is looking for, first of all, a quick resolution, also some sort of DIY application. It is so simple, it's free to use, and it also comes with great maintenance tips. It comes with other discounts and other tools that are really helpful for the homeowner.
There you go, all fixed.
Yes! The Front Door app is ready for download in the App Store and Google Play. There are currently 2 membership levels, Basic and Prime, with Premium coming soon. Get more info at frontdoor.com.